Hey traders, my name is Shegun Chat247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. Today is the 26th of January 2025. The market has just opened for the week commencing the 26th of January. I want to do the 4 hours volume bar analysis using the 4-bar rule methodology that is part of our idea at Chat247 Trading Academy. So what I want to do is identify high probability trades, buy point, sell point on all these pairs. We've got the US dollar CAD, Euro dollar, CAD yen, Aussie dollar, dollar yen, Euro Aussie, pound dollar, New Zealand US dollar, and the pound yen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be identifying our likely buy point and sell point. So price came down from here. So the selling started there. So that is the, if you see, there's a move all the way from this point to this point. And the green bars represents the low of the green bars represent the sell point. If price is coming down, the high of the red bar represents the buy point. Okay, so this here is a sell. The low of that candle is 143.863. So that's the US dollar Canadian dollar sell point. And you can see it was sold, but now price was coming down. The last volume bar down is this one. The high of that candle is 143.48.1. So it doesn't mean we're going to jump in, but above that candle there, selling is no longer an option. And that gives you whatever strategy you are trading, that gives you a high confirmation, a high probability of being successful if you are buying above there. So 143.481, 143.481. So that's the dollar card. Okay, let's do the euro dollar. Price is coming up. The low of this bar, I like this one because we have a yellow dot at it. So the low here is the sell point, low 1.04670. 6.7. So we don't have a buy point with this one. It's just a sell because price is going up. And we don't have a red volume bar to trade it against. This will have been the buy point here, that one there. And that took place on Friday at this candle here, at the break of this candle. That would have been a buy. Then come to the Canadian dollar Japanese yen. You can see the sell point, price gapped down. We are selling this from last week. So the low 108.501. That's a fantastic number actually. The reason what I'm doing here is very powerful is because as traders, you do not want to be thinking of what should I do here? What should I go? Should I be a buyer? Should I be a seller? These price points make, basically what they do for us is they make our mind up. Above the buy point, you don't want to be looking to sell. Below the sell point, you don't want to be looking to buy unless the price come above it and the role reverse. Okay, so we are below the sell point. We don't want to think of buying. Above here, this will have been the buy point on Friday, that high of that candle there, 108.70. So let me just put that on the chart. And now we have a double confirmation. We have a double confirmation. We are below the buy point, we are below the sell point. The market gapped down, and this low 108.04 should be taken. We have a trend changing pattern already on this pair, so this is a bona fide downtrend. We've seen the correction, and this thing should continue to break the low. So that's the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Let's go to the Aussie dollar. The Aussie, this is not a valid sell here, this one here, no, because it's not part of the move. It came after the high was formed. So the valid sell will be here. Low 0.62827. In terms of buying, we have to buy above the high. You can't buy anything here because we don't have a volume candle to move and we don't have a dot. So if the price is going to continue, we're going to buy above the momentum high, which is this here. So the high is 63,304, 63,304. Obviously, we can adjust this during tomorrow trading day, but trading the Tokyo session and London session, these are the key price I want to trade. Okay, so this is basically in no man's land, so we don't have any trigger on this. This is a buy. The dollar card is a buy. This could be a sell. The euro dollar, if the price break below 104.67, that will be a sell. Let's go to the dollar yen. So what do we have here? That was a sell point. See the dollar yen, the sell point of the dollar yen was this price here, the low of that candle, 156.450. In terms of buying, you see the buying came in, but it failed above this candle. They didn't close above it. So that will have been the buy point there. And look at this, a big range buy. So if you are buying there, your stop loss is here. It's very risky. It's not the trade I would take in terms of buy, but the sell gave you a proper discount. So I didn't get the price for that. That's that buy point, but I'll get it now. Let's use line making. Keep using different colors. So 156.413. I'll leave it as it is, 410. That's the buy, that's the sell. So we have a confluence of buy and sell price. This thing is below the price. Below those price points, the yen is strong. These pairs are weak against the yen. So going to the euro Aussie, what do we have? We have a buy here. The high is 165,777. I repeat, above a buy point, you want to be looking for buying opportunity. Below a sell point, you want to be looking for selling opportunity. So if we're going to sell this, we have to sell below this price here, this candle low, which is the 165,861 on the euro Aussie, 165,861. So that's the EURUSD. Price is bullish currently. It's trading above the buy and the sell point. So looking for more opportunity to go long. This is a pullback. As long as the pullback did not trade and close below the sell point, you have an opportunity to buy a continuation move in the Euro Australian dollar. Pound dollar is very strong. Look at this. Very strong. The price did not give us any structure. It was just trading, moving higher and higher and higher. All these lows are higher lows. They are not even a structure on the smaller time frame. So this is kind of strong. Below here, we can look for selling opportunity, but high, you're gonna have to be very cautious about it. But we trade what we see, not what we think. So that here technically is your sell, and it is a valid sell. Low is 124.090. You can buy above the high. Price gets there. It's not a trade I would take anyway. 125.017. Okay, so you can't, there's no signal on this one. New Zealand US dollar, we have a breakdown. You can see that green candle. The buyers, the reason this strategy that we're, this method, okay, like I said before, is one of our strategy on the wave of success methodology. The simple explanation behind this is you put yourself in the shoes of those traders that are making money, and you say to yourself, if you are this trader that you're making money all the way from here to this point, where would you come out? Where will you take profit? Traders will take profit below a key level. If you are buying, they will take profit above a key level if they are selling. And these volume bars, they represent activities of buyers and sellers. So if price break below a green bar, which is the activity of the buyers that are making money, that means it automatically that knocks them out, at least from the swing. The buyers are to journey from here all the way here. They are going to be coming out, taking profit and standing aside. The sellers that came in now, they've seen this price as a fair price. They should push the price down. Obviously, there are other subtle things you can do, but at least we know if they've knocked the buyers out, we now want to be looking for sellers to come into the market. If they come in, then we're going to sell. If they don't come in, the buying opportunity or the price may go into consolidation. So all that, you can find that out. I've done so many educational stuff. If you are still struggling with things like this, you can take my free course on my website, chat247academy.com. But what I'm doing here is for the people that are already trading and they know what they're doing. Okay, so the low of this bar is 056980. That's the sell point. You can buy above the high. Zero five seven two three zero. For every sell point, there should be a buy point. That way we're not predicting anything. We are just anticipating and aligning our thoughts in line with how the market behaves. So this is the sell point here below this. Put yourself in the shoes of those that are making money. Buyers, where would they come out? Where would they feel uncomfortable? Below the high volume bar green. This is a buying activity candle, and if they come below it, that means all this buying has been negated, and we should see if the sellers are strong, the price should continue. If not, we should go into what we call the accumulation and distribution area, where price is going nowhere. Basically, it's gonna stay between this range before they make the next decision. So that's basically the thinking behind what we are doing here. Oops. Red low of the candle is 193.932. You can go long above the high, this bar here, 94.746 pound yen. Okay, there you have it. This is all the pairs we're going to be looking at for this week. These numbers, you can copy them and place them on your trading view. That is what we do, and we set an alert on them. So as the alert is triggering, I can look at my chart, and then you see we have different lines on our charts. We can look at the chart, set an alert on them, and take the trades, and that's basically the idea. Look for an opportunity to buy, opportunity to sell, and different things like that. The reason we are doing this is that it makes our life easy, and also to be able to trade a high probability setup. So if you like what you see, make a comment, give us a thumbs up. I'd love to hear what you think about this simple way of analyzing the market. And I hope to see you in the next video. God bless.